What's up guys, welcome back to the Berry UG channel. Today we are making these crunchy daddies. So we are going to need 2 kilograms of supreme all-purpose flour. Then we shall also need 1 liter of cooking oil, 2 lemons, and some salt to taste. Then we shall also need milk, 1 cup of milk, very cold milk. We shall also need baking powder. We shall also need vanilla powder. This is vanilla powder just for flavor and good taste. You can choose to use bay leaves or ginger. It's about taste and preference. 500 ml of cooking oil to be heated and poured in the flour. Just watch on what you are going to do. So first, we shall sieve our dry ingredients, starting with the flour. Other ingredients I'll be showing you as the video goes on. I'll be introducing more. Of course, I've not shown you sugar, which we shall really need. Just stay attentive and watch on what I'll be doing. So I'm going to sieve my flour. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Put in 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Add in some vanilla powder for flavor and good taste. Add in 1.5 cups of sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of salt as well. Add in the lemon cover gratings also for preservation and also a little flavor. Then add in the lemon juice from the 2 lemons that I had shown you. So then you mix thoroughly. Add in the 500 ml of hot cooking oil. I had shown you that previously, and mix thoroughly. Be sure to use a wooden spoon to mix because the oil is still very hot. Add in the 1 cup of milk and mix as well. Now that we have put in all our ingredients, it's time to mix very well using the hands. Ensure your hands are clean. Mix thoroughly so that every ingredient gets to spread in each part of the dough. You can keep adding water little by little or even milk to stiffen the dough during kneading. Hope you are liking this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are watching for the very first time, please consider tapping the red word subscribe below this video. It's just a sign of support and liking of the work. Thank you. Continue watching on. After properly kneading the dough, put it in a bowl and cover it to allow the baking powder take action. You'll see the difference in 10 minutes. Now this is how it looks in 10 minutes. You see there is a little expansion and the dough is even softer. This is the trick to making crunchy daddies, very crunchy. And thereafter, knead properly again before starting to roll out the dough. So watch on. We shall dust our rolling board just to prevent the dough from sticking to it, and then we shall do a little kneading and cut out in any shapes that we would wish. So just watch on and see. If you have liked this recipe of the Ugandan daddies or the Nigerian chin chin, please tell me in the comment section. Tell me whether you've liked it, or tell me if you've ever tried it, and what other recipe do you think, or what other recipe is that you tried out that gave you those good results. Let's share our experiences. I'd like to see them in the comment section. So we are rolling out a portion of our dough, and watch this trick that is about to come up. Watch. Fold the dough. When you fold the dough, you see that it gives that cracked side on the daddies. You've ever eaten daddies and then you've seen on the side there's a little crack and it's all looking so nice, and you feel like having a bite. It's the trick. This is the trick. Just fold the dough. After rolling it straight, you fold it and then just see what's going to come out. When you fold it, you make that side to crack. That is the trick. That is the trick. That is the trick. I've revealed our secret, our kitchen secret. So you can tell me, did you ever know that folding gives that cracked side, or you have another way of doing it? Let's share in the comment section. So I've cut out, can I say, tubes of the dough, and this is what we are going to fry in those shapes. So just watch on. Oh my god, you will just love this recipe. You must try out. So our tubes are now ready, and make sure when you're doing this your oil is heating up on fire, and keep your fire medium. So we are going to put into our oil and see how they look like, and let them cook for at least 10 minutes, and you'll see a change in color. They'll become golden brown. After 5 minutes, see how they look. Then in 10 minutes, this is how they look like. Oh my god, so yummy. So they are ready, and I'm just going to get them off the oil and see what we have. You guys, the things are so tasty, very tasty. The vanilla in them makes a whole difference. You can as well use any flavor, as I told you. So these are the things I've come up with. Look at how beautiful they are. So you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Hope you've liked this recipe. Tell me in the comment section, and see you next time. Bye.